So I'm in Kashmir right now, and I'm at one of my favorite places. This is Manasbal Lake. Isn't this beautiful? One thing I love about Kashmir is that it's located in a valley in between all these mountains. And so everywhere you go, they're just like these epic mountain ranges. And so one of the things I'm actually really looking forward to doing with this group that's coming in about 2 weeks is we're going to do mountain trekking. We're also going to be doing shikara trekking. And these, I don't know if you can see them out there, those little boats are shikaras. It's like this classic Kashmiri mode of transportation. So I'm here, I'm happy, I'm feeling good. Got my captain's hat, although M has been stealing it and wearing it and calling himself captain, and it's really cute. Because actually I think it works because people give him more concessions when driving. Because they think he's like an official, which is really funny. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Lovely, lovely, lovely. My jaw is a little swollen. I ate too much mutton, too much heat, and gave me some problems. But we're fixing it. We're working on it. Check out these cool lily pads. Alright, the adventure continues. We're actually busy making arrangements for this group that's coming, including we're lining up shikaras for shikara trekking, and mountains for mountain trekking, and horses and houseboats, and getting camping supplies. And it's really exciting.